In this video I'm going to use this shaft type seal puller. I'm going to use this on my 99 Miata for the crankshaft seal down here. A lot of people online will use a pick. They'll get a pick in here, jam it in, pull it out. If you use a pick, you're running a risk of scratching your crank and then the seal not working and dumping out oil. So let's use the right tool for the right job. Alright, with this tool you have a thumb screw that you adjust here, and that's your pivot point. And then it has this hook, and you're going to slip it in under the rubber seal without touching the crank. And this has a power steering and AC compressor on one side. I'm going to try to do this without removing the power steering pump. So you should be able to see I got that hook in there on the seal, keeping it off the crankshaft. And move this thumb piece into place, tighten this down so it doesn't move. Then I'm just going to push it forward and it should just pop right out. Oh, too easy. Way too easy. Oh. Yeah, worth all $18 for this. A lot easier than trying to get a pick in there without scratching the crankshaft. That's a win.